Purpose in your delay. Yes, there is a purpose in your delay. God is allowing things to happen for your character to be built, but it's up to you. You can either be better or bitter. And I'm encouraging you to be better and allow the Lord to get the glory in this situation. Let's look at John chapter 11 and verses 21, a few verses. We're going to look at the story of Lazarus. Lazarus was dead. Hallelujah, glory be to God. But little did they know, my God, that he's going to show up. But listen what Martha said, because her faith was still in contact. Verse 21 says, Then said Martha unto Jesus, Lord, if thou hadst been here, my brother had not died. But I know that even now, hallelujah, whatsoever thou wilt ask of God, God will give it thee.